Imagine an immortal king who had become the ruler of the entire universe. A warrior so powerful that even the gods themselves could not defeat him in battle. Then what suddenly happened that he willingly chose to live in the deep darkness of the underworld. And the most astonishing part, he is believed to still be alive there even today. This is the story of King Bali, the grandson of the great devotee Prahlad and the mightiest emperor of the three worlds. His glory was so immense that even Indra, the king of heaven, was forced to abandon his throne and flee. But King Bali was not a cruel demon. He was one of the most generous, righteous, and noble rulers in the universe, and that very virtue became the greatest threat to the gods. When the balance of creation began to collapse, Lord Vishnu himself took the form of a tiny Brahmin dwarf known as Vamana. Vamana arrived at King Bali's grand sacrificial ceremony and asked for only 3 steps of land as a donation. The ruler of the three worlds smiled and immediately agreed. But in the very next moment, that small Brahmin transformed into a gigantic cosmic form and began measuring the universe. With the first step, he covered the entire earth. With the second, he measured the whole of heaven. Now there was no place left for the third step. Yet King Bali, true to his word, did not step back. Smiling calmly, he offered his own head beneath the feet of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu was astonished by Bali's limitless devotion and humility. He could have returned everything to him, but Bali chose the underworld instead of ruling alongside the gods in heaven. Why? Because Vishnu granted him a divine boon. The Lord himself would stand as Bali's gatekeeper in the underworld. King Bali is not suffering a punishment in the underworld today. Instead, he is waiting for the next Satya Yuga. For when the current cosmic cycle ends, it is believed that King Bali will become the next Indra of the universe.